Welcome back. This week's photography tip is for all those parents out there, which is photographing your kids and how to do it best. So what I would recommend straight away is two things. Get down to their level so you can see the world from their angle. It's a much more interesting and more emotionally close image to capture than it is by just being a parent and looking down at them as always. Give people and the world their view of the world and share that. The second thing is embrace that enthusiasm for life and that passion that they have. Don't try and control it and get them to sit there. Let them run around and have fun and go to a playground with them and capture them as they're playing. Don't worry about eye contact with the camera either. Just capture that exuberance for life that they have and the images will be far, far better, I guarantee it. Okay, hope that helps and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.